Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I am making Ramadan Iftar snacks, healthy samosa, crispy outside and flavorful potato filling inside. Simple, homemade and perfect for iftar. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well. Samosa is one of the most loved iftar snacks. Add 1/3 cup water gradually and make a firm dough. Homemade dough tastes fresher than store-bought. Rub some oil on top and keep aside to rest. For the filling, take 2 boiled mashed potatoes. Add 2 tablespoon onion, 1 green chili, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon cumin, and 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Mix well. Chaat masala enhances street style flavor. Divide the dough into portions. Roll thin. Cut as shown. Dough should be firm for crispy crust. Add the potato mixture in the center and fold neatly into a samosa shape. Do not overfill the samosa. Seal edges properly to avoid opening. Fry in medium heated oil until golden brown and crispy. Fry on medium heat for even color. Crispy texture comes from proper frying temperature. Homemade samosa controls oil quality. Potato gives energy after fasting. Fresh herbs add nutrients. Best enjoyed moderately as a snack. Serve hot. Your healthy Ramadan Iftar samosa is ready, crispy and delicious. Serve with chutney or sauce. Try this recipe and share your feedback. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more Iftar special recipes.